This portion is brought to you by Mercury Drug, na kasi siguro gamot ay laging bago.
Today on Generation RX Plus. Attention summer sports seekers! Protektahan niyo ang inyong mga mata in our summer eye care topic in Ask the Experts. Parilan na at mag-shoot to your heart's content, the PB Dionisio Firing Range in my sports hub. At tapos niyan, the world of practical shooting. Find out why it's a good sport. Ating naman pasyalan ang Patapat Viaduct.
The brand itself, Orlistat, has many studies which proves that it can help obese patients lose weight.
The racks must also be plug and play or detachable. No holes drilled on your car. Mont Blanc is one of those roof racks that are well designed to fit your car.
All these and more on Generation RX Plus.
Good morning, friends! Today we talk about summer eye care. So join us for the next 30 minutes as we share with you loads of information on how to keep your eyes healthy this summer season. This is your host, Dr. Cecil Katapang, and welcome to Generation RX.
So summer, meaning medyo mainit talaga. So common problems are conjunctivitis. So people go swimming, go out of town, nagsiswimming. Tendency is for us to get an infection. Some people would complain of dry eye problems. So you hear people like getting teary-eyed most of the time. Some would have like kulite. More of like you go to resorts, you don't know how clean the water is. So kung mainit, you have a tendency to get into like infections, irritations, and that's where the problem starts. So first and foremost, if it's an emergency, so we can't discount the fact that you might have a trauma from all your activities for the summer. Then you have to, if it's a chemical injury, like something went to your eye, you have to clean it with water right away. And I suggest that you go to the emergency room, see a doctor right away to more or less give you the proper medications for it. It's more of like the sports-related injury kung what particular sport the patient is or the person is venturing into. Ang mas delikadong mga activities are the sports wherein the ball is really small. So usually golf ball or a badminton shuttlecock injury. The basketball, football is not a problem compared to the two previous sports that I mentioned because it's quite big. So you have the protection of the brow, the cheek, if you get a trauma. But still, syempre, it will cause injury. You still get like inflammation inside the eye, bleeding inside the eye. Importante is you need protection. So you have to protect your eyes from, aside from the sunlight, something protective eyewear like sports goggles, sunglasses. So those will be your protection from injury. You have to be extra careful. So you have to make sure that you don't go to the extreme. You make sure that all the things are covered with regards to probable injury. So it's best that you play with caution. So it's summer is time for relaxation. We don't want an injury to happen. I suggest that you see your doctor for a checkup anytime soon to make sure that your eye is normal. And you have to protect your eyes from sunlight all the time, so a good pair of sunglasses will help. If there's an injury, you make sure that you see a doctor right away. If that's not possible, then make sure that you're with someone so you can address the problem at that particular time before you see a doctor.
you for joining us, and we hope that you were able to pick up some tips on how to keep your eyes healthy this summer season. Thank you to Plantation Bay Resort and Spa, Ever Bilena for my makeup, and Krisha for my blouses. As we always say, live healthy and travel light.